Hi, welcome to 5.2, Waves and Wavelengths. Our learning objectives are, describe important physical features of waveforms. 2, show how physical properties of light waves are associated with perceptual experience. And the third one is show how physical properties of sound waves are associated with perceptual experience. And of course I have pictures. All right. With learning objective 1, describe the physical features of waveforms. Both light and sound can be described in terms of waveforms, with physical characteristics like amplitude, wavelength, and it's not timbre. It's like timbre, but it's spelled timbre. Anyways, wavelength and frequency are inversely related, so that longer waves have lower frequency and shorter waves have higher frequencies. So that is the waves. Learning objective 2, show how physical properties of light waves are associated with perceptual experience. Let me scroll down so I can read it. The aptitude of light waves is associated with our experience of brightness or intensity of color. The larger the amplitudes appearing brighter. Animals that can see visible light have different ranges of color perception. In our book it says honeybees can see light in the ultraviolet range. That's crazy. The third learning objective is show how physical properties of sound waves are associated with perceptual experience. Like light waves, the physical properties of sound waves are associated with various aspects of our perception of sound. The frequency of a sound wave is associated with our perception of that sound's pitch. High frequency sound waves are perceived as high-pitched sounds, while low frequency sound waves are perceived as low-pitched sounds. The audible range of sound frequencies is between 20 and 20,000 Hz, with greatest sensitivity to those frequencies that fall in the middle of that range. That's quite a range. Anyways, that is 5.2.